Walmart's Super Tack reusable recharge hose with the Freon. So I was looking for something basically that comes with this gauge and the can, the whole setup, something which is has a good price tag on it. It's affordable, seems good, and is durable. And I came across this product. So this one you get from Walmart, and right now it is priced at about $28.88. It's an 18-ounce can. Okay, it's 18 ounce. It's a Freon refrigerant for a vehicle, premium R134a, and it says with leak sealer and conditioner, reusable rechargeable hose, seals common rubber, leaks in O-rings, gasket, and hoses, improves AC performance, helps prevent compressor failure. Okay, R134a 18-ounce can with the rechargeable hose. So now, like I said, I paid $28.88 on a Walmart for this, and so basically the way you use this, you connect this part to your low AC port, okay, and you just take the cap off, the low cap off, and you just push it in, let it go, make sure it is fitted, and then so it comes with this can, and here's a button right here. So this is in the lock position that way, so you twist it this side to unlock it, and so now the Freon is unlocked, and in order to release the Freon in the system, you push this button downwards. Okay, so when you push it, the Freon comes out, okay, through your low port in the system. Okay, and the reason it says it's reusable because if when I'm done, I lock it back and I remove the can, unscrew it. So this is how this can is. So let's say I don't want to, I'm done with this can and I want to use another can, so I can reuse this hose. That's one thing I like about it. And I can buy a can. It could be from various different companies, just have to have something like this. So for example, this one, this is from Easy Chill, and I can connect this can with this hose, and I can use this. So, and it's that way it's cheaper, so you can just buy the refills, attach it with that, and use it. And now it don't have to be any can. You can buy another Super Tack can. I think they are like about $8 or $9. Those are like 12-ounce cans about this big. Looks kind of like this, but it says Super Tack on it, and you can just attach it with your reusable hose, and you can add Freon again as many times as you want using this reusable hose. So that's one thing I really like about it. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.